Welcome to my channel. How to fill Epson EcoTank ET 2850 ink tanks correctly. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure your Epson ET 2850 is powered on and ready. The control panel should be active before starting the refill process. Step 2. Open the maintenance menu. On the printer screen, go to Maintenance and select Fill Ink. Follow any safety instructions shown on the display. Step 3. Open the ink tank cover. Lift the ink tank cover carefully to access the 4 color tanks: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Step 4. Choose the correct ink color. Check that the ink bottle matches the color label on the tank. Never pour the wrong color into a tank. Step 5. Remove the ink bottle cap. Hold the bottle upright and slowly remove the cap. Avoid shaking or squeezing the bottle. Step 6. Open the tank cap. Open only the cap of the tank you want to refill. Keep the other tanks closed. Step 7. Insert the bottle into the fill port. Place the bottle straight into the matching fill port. The bottle is designed to fit only the correct color tank. Step 8. Let the tank fill automatically. Do not squeeze the bottle. Ink will flow automatically and stop when the tank reaches the upper fill line. Step 9. Close everything securely. Remove the bottle, close the tank cap firmly, and tighten the bottle cap if ink remains. Store leftover ink upright. Step 10. Reset the ink level. Close the ink tank cover and follow the on-screen instructions to reset the ink levels for the colors you refilled. This ensures accurate ink monitoring. Thanks for watching.